I'm feeling a very heavy energy right now. Like, yung energy na parang kahit yung sarili niya hindi niya kayang dalhan. Ooh, that's big. Doesn't have to be na mataba siya, ha? But I'm saying the energy ay very heavy. I'm picking up. Maybe it has something to do with emotions and feelings. Or maybe, no, merong mga circumstances na mas lalong nagpapabigat ng sitwasyon. That's what we're trying to find out all together. Let's unlock the mystery of that heavy energy. Okay, let's do this. This heavy energy, talagang heavy rin talaga, no? Mabigat talaga yung kanya ritong binibitbit sa kanyang sarili, no? So, let me see all. Center of the reading, the tower. Uy, kawawa siya. Ten of Wands, the world. We now have the Eight of Swords. Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck, the Hermit. Oh, late nag-sink in or late magsi-sink in. Okay, Three of Cups in reverse, Ten of Swords. Pag nagkita kayo, baka bigla ka nalang sunggaban nito. Sunggaban talaga yung word. Yeah, because this person here with the Knight of Cups is all in his or her fantasies, is all in his or her imaginations, illusions. Knight of Cups speaks to me na sa sobrang pagka-miss niya sa'yo, hindi malabong bigla ka nalang sunggaban nito, no? And what I'm trying to tell to you guys, no, is like pag nakita ka niya somewhere, even out of the blue with the moon and the Eight of Wands, may kasama ka mang friends, katrabaho, no, or may kasama ka man yan, no, okay? Pag nakita ka niya, matik, this person here will hug you so tightly. This person here will someone na talagang igagrab niya ang iyong hand, no? Yeah, more likely grabbing your hand, holding it, no? Like someone na hindi ka nakita ng matagal, ganong feeling. Or yung hug, no? For a lot of you, it's a hug. It's a very tight hug, no? Na super higpit, no? And I do pick up na magugulat ka dyan with the tower energy because whoever this energy is, no, this person here is the one who betrayed you, okay? Who happens to be your ex-lover, no? Na mukhang sinabihan mo ng sorry, ayoko na. Sorry, hindi ko na talaga mabibigay ulit yung chance for the both of us. And please forget about me. Please forget about us. Ouch. That's so painful for this person. So I do see na hindi siya makamove on. Hindi niya ma-accept or matanggap iyon, no? Dito, bagay na parang nagkakaroon, no? Ng kaguluhan sa kanya ritong isipan. That's why the Four of Coins ay nandito. And also have here the Knight of Pentacles, no? Okay, kaya pag nakita ka niya, no, nakikita ko dito bigla ka na lang nitong yayakapin. Mahigpit. And you're like, magugulat ka, marami sa inyo maiinis, no? Ano ginagawa mo? Matagal na tayong wala. Eh, no? Matagal nang walang tayo. Pwede bang tanggapin mo na lang yun? Yeah, and you're gonna speak his or her name for the first time in your life again, no? Like, let's say, no, pwede bang kalimutan mo na lang ako, Roy? Yan, gano'n 'no. O baka Roy talaga yung pangalan niya because that's the first name na naisip ko dito 'no. Yeah, no, this person here, babanggitin mo yung pangalan niya for the very first time after ng huli ninyong pagkikita, ayan 'no. First time mong banggitin yun 'no, pero alam mo hindi endearment yun, kundi yun yung energy ng layuan mo na ako, lubayan mo na ako, tantanan mo na ako. 'No? And yung iba sa inyo, yung iba kasama niyo friends niyo dito, yung iba kasama niyo family members or relatives ninyo, yung iba kasama ninyo yung bago ninyong person 'no. So, I do see that this person 'no, cannot accept the reality that you've already moved on sa kanya. And I do see na mahirap itong tanggapin for this person that your chapter ay already close, pero kasi ang tagal niya ng stuck sa'yo. Stuck with you. Eight of Swords, Three of Swords. It's like this person here will tell you straight up, agad-agad, no? Na parang andali naman para sabihin mo nakalimutan kita collective, yan, no? Pero parang gusto ko rin sabihin sa kanya, ba't mo naman nagawa yung pagta-traitor na yun? Eh di sana hindi ganito yung sitwasyon mo with collective, yan 'no. Parang medyo malumanay ka ron Miss Yan, oo kasi alam mo papunta na siyang depresyon, eh. Medyo naaapektuhan na yung mentality niya. Okey, kaya hindi siya puwedeng kausapin ng, um, galit ka or what 'no. So, parang kailangan dito ng gentle way of conversing sa kanya, eh. Pero because hindi mo yun alam, maaaring kapag in-approach ka niya, kapag niyakap ka niya, niyapos ka niya ng mahigpit 'no, you will like parang kasi nagulat ka, eh, it's okay 'no, it's given 'no. Yun naman talaga ang natural first reaction 'no. Kasi 'di ba malay mo naman kung magnanakaw yung yumakap sa'yo, kukunin pala yung bag mo. 'Di ba? So, nagulat ka, eh, 'no? Pero pagkakita mo 'no, after mo magulat yung ex mo pala 'to, na yung parang, "Anong ginagawa mo?" Especially kung meron kayong kasamang, special person ninyo 'no? Because yeah, I'm getting that this person here, wala siya sa kanyang sariling mind 'no? Bigla na lang niyang hahawakan yung kamay mo, will hold it 'no? O yung iba ganito, yung iba 'pag ganyan kayo hahawakan 'no? Okey, and yung iba yayakapin talaga kayo. So, it's something here na parang, "Uy, ano ba 'to? Anong ginagawa mo?" Ayan 'no. So, parang gano'ng klase ng energy 'no. So, wala na talaga siya sa sarili niyang katinoan rito, sweetheart 'no. And this person here, ikaw lang yung laman ng kanyang isipan rito, okey? So, nakikita natin dito that this person here naapektuhan talaga siya mentality, okey? At kapagka parang hindi niya 'to na-resolve na issue na ito or concern na ito, I'm picking up that kailangan niya na ritong mag-seek ng psychologist or psychiatrist. Yes. So, whoever this energy is, it looks like this is someone here 'no, na talagang alam mo 'yun, wala na talaga siya ditong as in ibang napapansin sa kanyang life, okey? So, I wonder kung paano pa siya nakakapag-focus dito sa work. Maybe, yeah, okey, nakikita natin dito 'no, na pumapasok sila sa work pero ang bagal nila kumilos. Possible rin na nasisita na sila because of that, okey? Puwedeng naiisip rin that they're getting lazy but it's not. It's just that swamp sila rito sa'yo. Because ikaw lang yung nakikita niya rito, yung mukha mo lang yung laman ng isip niya rito 'no, 'yan. So before we dive more and talk more about this person here, batiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Eastern buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. Kung di niyo pa alam, mayroon pa po tayo other channel link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo there. Araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga, wala rin po tayo dito ng time period. Timeless tayo, meaning to say, pwede nangyari na to sa iba nangyayari na ngayon, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang kaya naman just take only what resonates. Alright? So here, balikan na natin tong person na to. This person literally can't sleep. This person here is actually no, trying to recall lahat ng mga sinasabi mo sa kanya nung kayo pa. Especially yung mga sweet words, mga bagay no, na parang concern ka sa kanya dati, inaalala niya po yan sweetheart. And also, I do see that this person here, no, ay meron siyang album kasi meron dito na parang um, a storage, okay, na nandoon yung mga old photos. So, meron bang ganun? I don't know if it's your wedding or if it is an occasion. Like, let's say, baka ikaw yung ninang at ninang ng pamangkin niya, mga ganun. Okay, basta nandun ka, you were captured by the camera, no, way back then. So, yun yung tinitingnan niya. Okay. Yung iba maaaring hindi sila yung nagmamay-ari nun mismo, but yeah, maybe hiniram nila yung album 'no, like let's say baka yung pinsan niya, yung pamangkin niya 'no, ta's pinsan niya yung may anak nun and umattend ka ng binyag nun. So hiniram niya yun because nandun ka. So yun yung tinitingnan niya ngayon 'no. So, just take only what resonates, but this person here is definitely looking for ways because this person here ay sobrang miss kayo. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo 'pag nakita niya kayo and yes, yung iba talagang makikita niya kayo 'no, 2 months from now, a month by now, and yung iba puwedeng a week by now, okay. So, definitely 'pag nakita niya kayo rito na parang iisipin ninyo rito, "Ano baliw ba 'to? Bigla na lang ako niyayakap nito kahit may kasama ako at nandito tayo sa pampublikong lugar or ano ba 'to, bakit parang desperado masyado yung energy niya, ramdam na ramdam ko." Yes, because this person here is definitely in a very desperate energy and you're right, you're feeling it, your intuition is on point, you can easily tell that this person here is definitely 'no, naka-high frequency yung kanya rito 'no, na pagka-miss sa'yo, okey? And siya ito 'no, na parang medyo okey, after mo siyang masita rito 'no, after mo siya ritong pigilan 'no, or after mo siya rito na parang pagsabihan, bigla niyang maiisip rito 'no, na with the Four of Cups energy, oo nga pala. Hindi na nga pala kayo, you know? Yeah, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, it's painful for this person with the Three of Swords 'no, na mas maipagdiinan pa yon 'no, yung hindi na kayo, you know? Yung alam niya na nga na hindi na kayo pero pinagdiinan pa. 'Di ba, parang gano'n. So, kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to 'no, I think yung throat chakra ko kasi nagre-react right now. So, meaning to say, maaaring hindi talaga siya dito makapagsalita 'pag nakita ka niya agad-agad. Kasi nga action agad yung mangyayari. Like hug or hold your hands, that's the energy, okay? The Hermit, the Ten of Swords, and the Three of Cups in reverse is an energy right in here 'no, na puwedeng alam niya 'no, na puwedeng nanggaling na rin mismo sa inyo na hindi ka na open for pagbabalikan or hindi ka na open for reconciliation or hindi ka na open 'no, para bigyan siya ng chance even if it's the very last chance 'no, you're not open for it, okay? Tutol ka doon. So, I do see that this person here late nagsi-sink in sa kanya rito na, "Oh, matagal na nga palang hindi kami. Oo, mali nga pala yung ginawa ko because bigla ko na lang siyang niyakap, super higpit to the point na" yeah, super higpit. Like to the point na parang yung energy yung ano, nasa wrestling kayo. Kasi super yung pagka-miss niya sa'yo, that's why it's too tight. It's very tight, 'no? So, I do see that even air hindi makakalusot, gano'n kahigpit, 'no? So, I do see that this person right in here, late nagsi-sink in sa kanya rito 'no, na you are no longer part of his or her life, not anymore, okay? So, this is something here that's very painful, very heartbreaking for this person, but yeah, this person here will see you, okay? So, tingin ko that mag-warm up ka na, mag-exercise ka, stretching, gano'n 'no? Kasi para dun sa mga yayakapin super higpit talaga be. Kaya kailangan mag-training na, taray may pa-training 'no, gano'ng klaseng preparation. Mag-gym muna kayo 'no, kaya mag-stretch-stretch kayo diyan, manood kayo ng YT na sundan niyo yung mga to the left, okay, 1, 2, okay, repeat, to the right. Seryoso miss 'yan. Seryoso ako dun sa super higpit, like there's no air, it's very tight, okay, walang kahit hangin na makakalusot dun sa yakap na 'yan, okay? So, Ito yung mga nakikita nating initials dito sa person na 'to. Okay, let's begin. We have T, it's capital, yes. We also have here other letters pero hindi capital, just take only what resonates. D, S, C, B, P, G, F, E, I, and last but not the least, we've got the letter R. So, yeah, ito yung mga messages right here for you. Oh, pahabol na letter. Che. Okay. So, yeah, ito yung mga messages for you. Thank you again. I'm Yuriana on me for the girls in Yana. Do not for the boys. Sarang love and light. Annyeong.